Today, I'll walk you through how to create a website on Cloudflare, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to easily add your website to Cloudflare so you can enhance its performance and security. Let's get started with the first step, creating a free Cloudflare account. Head over to the Cloudflare signup page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and create a password. Once that's done, click on the sign up button. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Cloudflare updates its interface from time to time, just follow along with me. Now that you're logged in, it's time to add your domain name. Look for the option that says Add a Domain or Add Site in the top right corner of your dashboard. Enter your root domain name, for example, example.com, without the www or https / prefix. Once you've entered your domain, click Continue. This is like laying the foundation for your website. It's essential for everything that follows. Next, we need to select a plan. Cloudflare offers various plans, but for our purposes, scroll down and select the free plan. Click Continue to move on to the next step. This free plan is a great way to get started without any financial commitment. Think of it as a trial run. Now, let's review your DNS records. Cloudflare will automatically scan your domain for existing DNS records, such as A records, C names, and MX records for email. It's crucial to verify that all your primary records, including your website's IP address and mail servers, have been detected. If you notice any missing records, now is the time to add them manually. Once everything looks good, click Continue. The next step is to update your name servers at your registrar. This is where you'll point your domain's name servers to Cloudflare. Cloudflare will provide you with two custom name servers, such as aiden.ns.cloudflare.com and sora.ns.cloudflare.com. Open a new tab and log into your domain registrar, which is where you purchased your domain, like Namecheap or GoDaddy. Find the custom name servers section for your domain and replace the default name servers with the two provided by Cloudflare. Don't forget to save your changes. This is like giving Cloudflare the keys to your website. Finally, let's complete the setup and verify everything. Return to the Cloudflare dashboard and click on Done, check Name Servers. Here, you'll run through a quick initial security configuration. Enabling auto HTTPS rewrites and always use HTTPS is highly recommended for added security. After that, you'll need to wait for DNS propagation, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours. Cloudflare will send you an email confirmation as soon as your domain is active. And there you have it. You've successfully added your website to Cloudflare. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.